Before we talk about the product, look at the proof. This is the part that has to come first in a YouTube edit. Tan lines, wrist lines, strap lines, and obvious contrast. If the viewer can see the change in the first 30 seconds, they have a reason to keep watching. The strongest clips all do the same thing. They do not begin with a jar. They begin with a result. A visible line tells the audience that something actually happened, and that is more powerful than any product claim. Now we can show the product. This is Velvetix Carrot Intensive Tanning Gel. The edit needs to slow down here just enough for people to see the jar, the glossy texture, the color of the gel, and how rich it looks before it goes onto the skin. That product section matters because it turns the proof into a routine. The viewer has already seen the tan line. Now they want to know what created it. Then the story moves into use and result. We show the starting point, the beach setting, the pool setting, the gel going onto the skin, and then the change after waiting. This is where the video becomes a test instead of a random ad. The smoothest structure is simple. Show the contrast, show the product, show the application, then return to the contrast. Every time the edit comes back to a line or a warmer skin tone, the viewer gets another reason to believe the result. The lifestyle shots are the payoff, not filler. Once the viewer has seen the proof, the ocean, pool, sun, and glossy summer skin make the product feel like a beach day upgrade. The third part needs to breathe longer than the product section. This is where the viewer compares different arms, legs, strap lines, pool shots, and beach shots. Repetition is useful here, but only when every repeat adds a new piece of proof. One clip gives the wrist line, another gives the bikini line, another gives the after shot in brighter light. Together, they make the result feel harder to dismiss. The key is to avoid pushing the call to action too early. If shop now appears every few seconds, the audience feels the edit is stitched together from ads. But if the edit keeps returning to visible change, the sales message becomes easier to accept at the end. So the flow is proof first, product second, transformation third, and only then the call to action. That keeps the video moving like a test instead of a catalog. Patch test first. Use SPF outdoors. And remember, results can vary by skin type and sun exposure. But as a content structure, this is why these clips sell. The viewer sees the evidence first, understands the product second, and watches the result build before being asked to buy. If you want the full routine, check the link in the description. Shop now, and comment whether the next test should be 30 minutes, 1 hour, or a full beach day.